Welcome to Mommy's Cuisine.
Sexy como saborosa.
And be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Today, we're going to show you how to make gluten and pasta-free lasagna with Yuka. Here we are boiling our Yuka for 30 to 40 minutes. If you do not know how to prep Yuka to be boiled, please check out our video on how to peel Yuka. It's going to be in the description box down below, or it'll be up top as well. So please check that out. Your Yuka is ready when you can pierce it with a fork. Once you remove the Yuka from the hot water, cut each piece in half and remove the root that's at the center of the Yuka. These pieces are difficult to chew, so it's important to remove these pieces out. Now you'll put your Yuka into a blender and blend it until it's a smooth dough-like texture or consistency. Now you're going to roll out the Yuka to be the thickness of lasagna pasta. And now you'll put your meat and your cheese, and you'll do another layer of the Yuka. Then you add meat and cheese and so forth until you get the number of layers you want. And after 45 minutes of being in the oven at 375 degrees, here is the lasagna. Thanks for watching. Please let us know if you try this recipe and tell us what you think. And until next time, please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye.